Venomous snakes are among the animals that frighten people the most. The likelihood of coming into contact with a poisonous snake, much less getting bitten by one and passing away from the toxin injected into one's body, is extremely low in comparison to the likelihood of passing away from cancer, heart disease, or a car accident. This seemingly unreasonable fear remains very real for many people. In this video, we'll explore the most venomous snakes in the world, and you should stick around for number 1, as I will be revealing to you Frankenstein's monster of snakes. Fun fact, snakes can unhinge their jaws and swallow prey much larger than their own head. Number 10. Inland Taipan, also known as the fierce snake. The inland taipan is one of the world's most venomous snakes. The bite of an inland taipan delivers a veritable witch's brew of toxins based on the medium lethal dose value in mice. The venom of the inland taipan is by far the most toxic of any snake, much more so than even that of sea snakes, and it has the most toxic venom of any reptile. When tested on human heart cell culture, the inland taipan is a specialist hunter of mammals, so its venom is specifically adapted to kill warm-blooded species. It is estimated that one bite possesses enough lethality to kill at least 100 fully grown men, and depending on the nature of the bite, it has the potential to kill someone in as little as 30 to 45 minutes if left untreated. It is an extremely fast and agile snake that can strike instantly with extreme accuracy, often striking multiple times in the same attack, and it envenomates in almost every case. A bite from this variety of taipan often causes paralysis of the victim's nervous system and clots. The blood respiratory paralysis can set in anywhere from 2 to 6 hours after you are bit. The yearly mortality rate caused by a bite from the inland taipan is estimated at 2,700 people worldwide. They change the color of their skin for their thermoregulation, allowing them to absorb more light in colder months. Number 9. Saw-scaled viper. The saw-scaled viper is considered one of the world's deadliest snakes, as it is believed to be responsible for more human fatalities than all other snakes put together. These snakes have a step body with a pear-shaped head, which is distinct from the neck. Unlike most snakes, the viper moves sideways, sidewinding locomotion. As they become more agitated, this stridulating behavior becomes faster and louder. This display is thought to have been evolved as a means of limiting water loss, such as might occur when hissing. When striking, they may overbalance and end up moving towards their aggressor, an unusual behavior for snakes. They are nocturnal and feed on mammals, birds, other snakes, blizzards, amphibians, scorpions, and centipedes. Saw-scaled vipers are considered to be one of the deadliest snakes of the world because they are often found in populated areas, and a lack of readily accessible anti-venom in rural areas adds to their lethality. Saw-scaled vipers can live up to 23 years. Up to 80% of these adults climb up bushes and trees when it rains. Number 8. Tiger snake. A tiger snake's venom contains highly potent neurotoxins, coagulants, mycotoxins, and hemolysis. Once bitten, the victim will experience extreme pain in the foot and neck, body, tingling, excessive sweating, numbness, trouble breathing, and paralysis, and tolerant of low temperatures. The snake may be active on warmer nights. When threatened, they flatten their bodies and raise their head above the ground, in a classic pre-strike stance. The venom can be fatal to humans, and the mortality rate is nearly 60%. They're highly variable in color and are often banded like the stripes on a tiger. They can grow to lengths of up to 1.5 meters. These are solitary snakes that interact only for mating purposes. Females give birth to 20 to 30 live babies instead of laying eggs. Number 7. King cobra. The king cobra, also known as the hamadryad, is a venomous snake species in the family Elapidae, endemic to forests from India through Southeast Asia. It is the world's longest venomous snake. In India, the king cobra is not only revered and worshipped, but also feared as they are one of the most venomous snakes. In one bite, a king cobra delivers a tremendous amount of neurotoxins that induces paralysis. Although they are shy and avoid confrontation with humans, king cobras are some of the most dangerous snakes in the world when provoked. They are, however, very caring towards their offspring, as they are the only snakes that build a nest for their eggs and guard them till they hatch. A family king cobra is a very dedicated parent, an unusual trait among snakes. They primarily eat other snakes, including the venomous ones. However, when food is scarce, they also eat lizards, birds, and rodents. A king cobra's venom is so strong that it can kill an elephant in just a few hours. It can cause death in 50 to 60% of untreated human cases. King cobras are monogamous, which means they mate with only one partner for life. Number 6. Black mamba. The black mamba is the second longest venomous snake after the king cobra. They are known for their large size and quickness and extreme potent venom, making them one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. The inside of the snake's mouth is black, hence its name. They have a coffin-shaped head and can vary colors from olive, yellowish, brown khaki, and gunmetal, but they are rarely black. If they are disturbed or cornered, black mambas will attack with repeated bites. Their venom is extremely toxic, and just 2 drops are reportedly enough to kill most humans. A black mamba attacks both the nervous system and the heart, and most bites are fatal, making them a feared creature in its native region. Number 5. The Belcher Sea Snake. Also known as the faint-banded sea snake, the Belcher sea snake is extremely venomous. A single bite from this snake can kill a person in less than 30 minutes. The Belcher sea snake is a moderate size, ranging from 0.5 to 1 meter, about 20 to 40 inches in adult length. Its thin body is usually chrome yellowish in color, with dark greenish cross bands. The dorsal pattern does not extend into the venter. The head is short and has bands of the same color. Its mouth is very small but suitable for aquatic life. Its body, when viewed out of water, appears to have a faint yellow color. Its scales are different from most other snakes in that they overlap each other. Its venom contains high level of neurotoxins and myotoxins, and it is thought that 1 drop is strong enough to kill 1,800 people. Since they mostly hunt underwater, they can hold their breath for nearly 8 hours. What would you do if you were swimming in the beach and met with a Belcher sea snake? Leave a like and let us know in the comments below. Number 4. The Boom Slang. The average adult boom slang is 100 to 160 centimeters, 3.5 to 5.2 feet in total length. The eyes are exceptionally large, and the head has a characteristic egg-like shape. Coloration is very variable. Males are light green with black or blue scale edges, but adult females may be brown. The boomslang is oviparous, and thus, an adult female can produce up to 30 eggs. The boomslang hunts by extending the forward part of its body motionless from a tree. Its form mimicking a branch, a rear-fanged snake, it delivers its venom by chewing on its victim until the victim succumbs to the toxins. It has a highly potent venom, which disables blood coagulation and leads to internal and external bleeding, killing the victim. The venom is delivered through large fangs located in the back of the jaw, which can open to 170 degrees when biting. Number 3. Coastal Taipan. The coastal taipan is found in coastal regions of northern and eastern Australia in the nearby island of New Guinea. The head of the coastal taipan is long and narrow, with a slender body. Once it spots its prey, the stink freezes and throws itself forward, making several quick bites. It then releases the prey and waits for the venom to take effect before taking its meal. Its paralyzing venom causes hemorrhaging and blood vessels in muscle tissue and inhibits breathing. Its bite is lethal in more than 80% of untreated cases, and it can kill a human in under an hour. Number 2. Russell's Viper. Also known as chain vipers, Russell's Viper is one of the most venomous snakes in the world. 1 bite from which can cause excessive bleeding. This also makes it one of the most dangerous snakes and is responsible for most snakebite incidents and deaths among all venomous snakes. Deep yellow, tan, or brown in color, with 3 series of dark brown spots, each of which has a black ring around it that can run the length of the body. These snakes can grow to a maximum of 1.5 meters. The snakes are very strong and can react violently to being picked up. They will either bite and let go or hold on for many seconds. Their venom is highly lethal to humans. In doses of 40 to 70 milligrams, a bite can cause excessive bleeding, particularly in the gums and urine. A rapid drop in blood pressure and heart rate, blistering necrosis, vomiting, facial swelling, kidney failure, and blood clotting. A bite can also cause severe tissue damage, and around 29% of survivors suffer damage to their pituitary glands. Number 1. Eastern Green Mamba. The Eastern Green Mamba is a highly venomous snake species of the Mamba genus Darrow, especially native to the coastal regions of southern East Africa. It has a slender build with bright green underparts and yellow-green underparts. The adult female averages around 2 meters, 6.2 feet in length, and the male is slightly smaller, a shy elusive species. The Eastern Green Mamba is rarely seen. This elusiveness is usually attributed to the species' green coloration, which blends with its environment and its arboreal lifestyle. Like the black mamba, they will flatten their necks into a narrow hood as a defensive posture. The venom causes necrosis or the destruction of the tissue. It's like a rotten banana. You might see a bite on the hand, which has a bit of swelling and a couple of black spots on it. But underneath, there's tissue damage all the way up to the shoulder and even into the chest. So the next time you see a snake, remember that they would prefer to be by themselves, and whatever you do not try to handle them unless you are a trained snake wrangler. And that's it for today's video. Which of these snakes got you petrified? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure to tell us in the comment section.